You know, this is a ministry that we have run for like 2 years now. But yet, I'm not seeing 1 naira. Look at the amount here. Every offering. This one is 38,000. 66,000. 94,000. Just in a week. In a week, we collect nothing less than 216,000. But yet, I'm not. Just look at. Hey, Mbano, it cannot continue. We started the ministry together. I'm the fisher of the man. So I see no reason why I'll not be seeing money in the ministry until my brother comes back. Until he comes back. Pastor.
Eh?
Pastor.
Yes.
Come. Why are you calling me like that? Have you forgotten that you should address me as a GS? What is this not ministry book? It's ministry book, and that is the reason why I called you. This is a new year, and it needs no go slow. This is 2 years, and now we started this ministry. And I'm not seeing any shish out of this ministry. So I want us to rearrange and balance the percentage. I have calculated the money we make on weekly basis here. I'm not seeing 1 naira. So we have to place everything based on percentage now. So that you will know your line. I will know my line. So that nobody will cross. Because you have crossed enough. So that is why I called you. Anayo, I believe you are not talking with your senses. Number one, you forgot to address me as GS. GS of what? Allow me to talk. And I equally understand that madness usually comes in the month of January, and you know the sun is too much. Anayo, are you hearing what I'm saying? I am the GS general. Anayo, you don't understand. I don't think you are working with your senses. I doubt if you are still Anayo. I know. I am the GS of the ministry. Are you getting me? Don't I feed you? Wait, feed who? What is feeding? You're asking me what is feeding? Yes, what is feeding? GS of what? Of the ministry. Since we started that ministry, have we ever converted anybody in that ministry? I go from house to house, from market to market, I convert people. That's the reason why I feed you. That is the reason why. Don't you know that I'm the real owner of that ministry? Anayo, do not get me provoked. Anayo, I am warning you. If I curse you, Anayo. Curse who? Pa, me chiano dia also. Curse who? Who you go feel curse? Anayo, are you talking? Para balagi dia also. Can't get a curse. Anayo. Wait, I give you prophecy. Anayo. Now me they convert people where they prophesy to. I go collect the information and give you. You better make you sit down. Sit down. Okay, I'm sitting. Go ahead. See, let me tell you. It's better we arrange things now. Or what? Or we lose the ministry. Which ministry? The ministry. Is it your ministry? Is it your ministry? It's my ministry. I converted the people. Anayo. Stop pointing at me. Anayo, listen. Stop pointing at me. Anayo, I see people who are more than you. I see people find me from all over. If I bring them now. If you bring who? If I bring them. Anayo, listen. If you are tired of my ministry, you are free to go. Anayo. Anayo, if I pray for you. Anayo, if I pray for you. Stop! I say stop. Pray for who? Anayo, are you talking to me? You did pray before? You work with the information that I give to you. Anayo. You work with the woman you prophesied lies. I told you that she's important crayfish. I gave you every details. And she brought 300,000. And you could not give me my own share.
Anayo, why? What share do you want?
I will close the ministry.
Anayo, you cannot do that.
I will close the ministry.
Anayo, you cannot do that. Anayo, Anayo, be warned, bro.
Stop pointing at me.
Anayo, be warned.
Stop pointing at me.
Anayo, I am the GS. Anayo, I am the general.
I'm the general converter.
You are the general
the
converter.
fisher of men.
It's not in the line.
They call you daddy in the ministry that I formed. They call you daddy. You'll be hanging your shoulder. We will make money. You will use it and show. You will get and so senators. You and suits and good shoes. Do I have shoes? See what I wear.
Okay.
See what I wear to convert people.
My senator is now your what?
You are very wicked, yo.
Then I will wear and dash you. Anayo, when you are done with this ministry book, you go and keep it back. Yes, Anayo.
Okay. No, you cannot go like that.
What do you mean?
We talk about the percentage.
Anayo, do you want to fight GS?
Who? What is GS?
Anayo, are you asking me what is
GS bigger than CS in the ministry?
There is nothing like CS.
We have CS.
Anayo, be careful.
We have CS.
Anayo, I will curse you.
You can't do it.
Anayo, I will curse
You cannot do
Anayo.
it. Ministry is over. You see the ministry? It's over. Bet me.
Anayo,
What?
Anayo.
What?
Anayo, I will curse you.
You can't do it. If you try it,
yes,
I will mount 5G plus in that ministry. It will be over.
Anayo.
It will be over.
I'm the GS.
What is GS?
Anayo, fighting GS.
Is GS bigger than CS?
Anayo, you want to fight GS?
Converters pretenders.
Anayo, you think you can do it?
Anayo, every time if we make money, you will use it to go and buy.
Is that your annoyance?
Yes.
Is that your annoyance?
Yes.
Did you tell me you want this? Anayo, Anayo, this is my annoyance. Anayo, I'm the GS. You are not. Anayo, you want
What do you want to do?
That is my annoyance.
What do you want to do?
Anayo, what do you want to do? My money. Anayo, what do you want to do?
You will do transfer for me.
Who will do transfer?
You see today?
Anayo.
You see today?
Anayo.
You can make them transfer.
Anayo.
You can make them transfer.
Transfer again.
Of my share in the
Anayo.
ministry. I started the ministry.
Yes. You started with the ministry.
I started the ministry.
Anayo.
I started the ministry. You think?
Anayo, I will prophesy what?
Anayo, this book I tell you.
Anayo, do you not? You want to prophesy? You want to fight GS?
If I collect information, I will give you. You will eat money alone. You will eat money alone.
You think?